When selecting a pipe wrench size for residential plumbing, it's essential to choose one that balances both versatility and ease of use. For most general plumbing tasks in a home, a 14-inch pipe wrench is an ideal starting point. This size is versatile enough to handle most common household pipes, such as those found in kitchens, bathrooms, and laundry rooms. It provides a good combination of leverage and control without being too large or heavy. For smaller pipes, such as those found in sinks or bathroom fixtures, a 10-inch pipe wrench may be more suitable. It's more compact and easier to maneuver in tight spaces while still providing enough grip for smaller tasks. Conversely, for larger pipes, such as those in main water lines or sewer systems, 18-inch or 24-inch pipe wrench would be necessary. These sizes offer increased torque for loosening larger, more stubborn pipes. Adjustable pipe wrenches are a great choice for residential plumbing since they allow for flexibility in accommodating different pipe sizes. However, it's important to select a wrench that suits the types of pipes commonly used in your home, such as copper, PVC, or galvanized steel, to ensure optimal performance and reduce the risk of damaging the pipes.